Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I will be introducing you to these beautiful fruits that I love having. Look at the colors. They are not just pretty, they are packed with nutrients. We've got bananas full of potassium for energy and muscle health. Pears and apple great for fiber and keeping your digestion happy. This juicy orange are mandarins loaded with vitamin C to boost your immune system. The grapes full of antioxidants that are great for your heart. Avocado rich in healthy fats that helps your skin glow and keeps you full longer. Of course, the big papaya, the mango, both amazing for your skin and digestion thanks to vitamin A and C. Honestly, it's amazing how much goodness nature gives us in such simple, delicious fruits. So next time, if you want a snack, grab something fresh and colorful. Your body will sure love it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.